Watch AI create an import transactions and cost analysis dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our transaction data into Bricks. The system instantly recognizes our import records and begins processing. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our transaction data, identifying key patterns in import values, quantities, and costs. It's creating multiple visualizations simultaneously, building charts for our top importers, unit price analysis, and monthly trends. The system is generating currency distribution charts, product breakdowns, and country-based import analysis. It's also creating shipping method comparisons and detailed cost breakdown tables. This intelligent analysis happens in seconds, processing thousands of transactions to surface the most meaningful insights. Perfect! Our import transactions and cost analysis dashboard is complete with 7 interactive charts and 2 detailed tables covering everything from top importers to pending shipments. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view removes all editing tools, creating a clean, professional display perfect for presentations. Each chart remains fully interactive, allowing you to drill down into specific data points while maintaining that polished presentation aesthetic. Back to edit mode, you can see how every element remains fully interactive and customizable. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.